Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. My name is Yadi and I'm an esthetician instructor. In today's video, I am taking you inside of the treatment room with me, this time to do a quick acne treatment. Here is a view of the lineup of all the products that I will be incorporating in today's demo. Of course, we are starting right off and I am using the Glymed Plus Sal X Purifying Cleanser. This is a very powerful facial wash. It is formulated with 2% salicylic acid to kill bacteria, reduce oil production, and slow shedding in the follicle, which prevents clogging. Performing consistent, effective facial treatments will not only benefit the client's overall appearance, but it will also bolster their self-esteem. As an esthetician, you can outline an acne treatment plan to balance the skin. Treatments can focus on deep cleansing and also extractions. There are 4 grades of acne, from grade 1 with minor breakouts, mostly open comedones, through grade 4, which is cystic acne. Acne triggers can be genetic, hormonal, environmental, lifestyle, certain product usage, and dietary influences. All of this can cause acne breakouts, and during a consultation, you can ask questions to your clients about all of these things to develop a treatment plan that can work for them. Because we are not sure what could be causing breakouts, communicating with your clients is very important, and you have to work almost as a detective to find out and rule different things out to better assist your clients in the best way possible. I have done several treatments on my lovely model and I know what her skin can tolerate. Her skin has come a long way. Dealing with acne is not easy, but it can be manageable with continued treatments and a great home skincare routine. In this treatment, I'm actually working with 3 different lines. I'm using mostly Glymed Plus products, but I'm also using Skin Script and Hell and Hush. So after removing the cleanser, I am moving on and applying the Hell and Hush Refine Polish. I am making sure I am working this product really well throughout her entire face to really help with texture. You okay? Yeah. Okay. I am so proud of how her skin is doing. And that's because I remember what it looked like when she first started. She's just left with the pigmentation, but that's something that she can work on. And with acne, it's something that you deal with on a daily, there's like no magic to just make it disappear in one sitting. Scheduling clients for routine facials is very important, along with them following any specific instructions you have given them, and to have a regimen, a skincare home routine that they're doing consistently if they are wanting to really see results. You guys saw that I really took my time and I've been really working her cheek area. Alright, so now I am going to remove some of this product using this spatula. I have my tissue right there. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to start on her forehead and I'm going to glide across. The ultrasound or ultrasonic spatula can aid and help you in the cleansing process, exfoliation process, and also with the penetration of products. You want the skin to be moist while using this tool. When working on the client's nose, be sure to remind your clients to breathe through their mouth. I know I'm wearing gloves, but I'm still going to sanitize my hands. I'm trying to get rid of any residue that's lingering on my gloves for my previous product. Okay. Next, I will be cocktailing these two products. I am using the Oxygen Deep Pore Cleanser and the Skin Peeling Lotion. The Oxygen Deep Pore Cleanser helps with the disincrustation process and a thorough cleanse and purifies congested pores, helps stimulate healthy cell turnover, and reveal smoother skin. The Skin Peeling Lotion is a very unique formula that encourages peeling while killing bacteria. It suppresses oil production and helps stimulate healing. These two for now. Okay, I'm going to start on her forehead. I'm going to pump, whatever I see, loop it around, slide. If it doesn't come out, do not force it too much, or else you can scar the client. Okay. Again, stretch out the skin, pump the side walls, then lift it. Oh, can you guys see? Okay. And then set it. So this is why I like this little guy, okay? Because sometimes with the actual loop itself, you can't really pick it up. It just kind of like moves around. So having something like that really makes it a little easier. You see that one? Okay. By the way, steam is not always necessary or needed during extractions, but in this case, it was. Always have a clean tissue to work around. See this right here? That's a big bump. That's called a nodule. Okay, I can feel it, and I know she feels it, and I know it hurts, but that's not ready to be extracted. Okay, I'm going to go over that with the high frequency, and hopefully it helps it go down some. I know the camera is not zoomed in very close, so it is hard for you guys to be able to see or catch everything up close. I was recording with my phone this time, but I promise you, hopefully soon I can do an extraction video where I'm able to zoom in a lot closer so you can get a better view.
no more than 15 minutes. I think 15 minutes you can get a lot done, which will be the same amount of time that would take you to do massage. So you will skip the massage. If someone needed a lot of extractions, skip the massage part and do the extractions. Okay. If you want me to, of course, show you guys on your models, or if you really need extractions, please come and get me, because you have to become more comfortable with it. And every person that you practice on, everyone that you bring will be different. Okay. So just keep that in mind. All right, next I'm going to do the high frequency on her. So remember that the high frequency has a germicidal effect, right? And so we're gonna turn the machine on, high frequency on, okay? You want to ground it first, ground your electrode, and then turn it up a little bit, okay? Place it on her skin, and then you can let go, okay? And this is going to give a germicidal effect on the skin, okay? And it's going to help kill bacteria, right? And the reason I'm using a gauze is because so it glides better, right, on the skin, okay? And so it doesn't tug.
So once again, high frequency oxygenates the surface of the skin, kills P. acne bacteria, stimulates circulation, and aids in the detoxification, contracts blood vessels, minimizes red inflamed skin. Clients who experience cystic acne can really benefit greatly from the deep, penetrating germicidal action of high frequency.
Remember the one she had on her brow? Take this off. Now I'm going to do the sparker. This sparker is, I purposely spark her so that it can also kill and dry out any acne, okay? So I am not going to touch it so that it actually shocks her, okay? Here we go, machine on, high frequency on. On the specific area. And it does work. I've done it on her before, and she saw a significant difference the next day. I'm using the strawberry spearmint mask, but it's actually brand new.
The strawberry spearmint mask is an antiseptic, astringent mask that reduces oil and minimizes acne. It has kaolin. It is a cream-based mask made for normal to oily skin types to absorb oil without the irritation. It is antibacterial, anti-aging, and anti-inflammatory. We are going to keep this mask on her skin for 10 minutes. Then we are going to remove using sponges and then a warm towel. Next, I am using the Professional CBD B3 Facial Mist that is known for soothing irritation and reduce the appearance of redness. If you have seen any of my other videos, then you know I love the Skin Restoring Fulvic Elixir from Glymed Plus. It is known for its antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. This is a serum that I absolutely recommend for you to have inside of your treatment room. We know that keeping acne under control is very challenging, but also keeping control and helping diminish the post-inflammatory erythema that you are left with afterwards. So my next product that I'm using is the Diamond Bright Skin Lightener from Glymed Plus. It's going to help reduce pigmentation and it'll help brighten the skin. And of course, we are ending the treatment with the use of SPF 50. And that concludes today's demo. Thank you again for watching. If you found the information helpful, don't forget to share, like, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. As always, don't forget to keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.